Hello there. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Penny of Mountain Yoga, based here in the Highlands of Scotland. And this practice is a fairly short sequence called Earth Salute. So Prithvi Namaskar. You might be familiar with Sun Salutes, which is a really popular kind of sequence that's taught. This one is a really nice kind of counter practice to that. It's quite calming, relaxing, and gives you that connection with the ground, with the earth. I was first taught it quite a long time ago now when I did my training with the British Wheel of Yoga. So that's where I came across it. You may well be familiar with it. I'm just going to teach a variation of it that I really enjoy. You don't need any props, just yourself, some space, and preferably bare feet, so you can really just have that sense of connection with the ground. So when you're ready, we're just going to come up to standing. And if you bring your feet together, and then just turn your toes out to the sides, and then bring your heels out, and then just bend and straighten the legs a couple of times, just easing in, checking in how you feel. Come up straight, and then just put a little softness in the knees. Squeeze your arms into the sides of your body as tight as you can. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And then release. Just let the shoulders come away from the ears. Have a little bit of space in between the arms and the body. A little bit of space in between the fingers. And maybe just have a look down at your toes and just lift all your toes off the mat. Just try spreading them out. And then just let the toes relax down. Just have a few breaths here. Just check in with yourself. Notice how things are with you right now. Just bring your index finger and thumb together to make a diamond shape. As you breathe in, just float the hands up overhead. And then as you breathe out, just let the hands just float down by the side. So we're just going to repeat that movement. Inhaling up, if that feels good for you. You can look up if you like. And then exhale, releasing down. Breathing in. Breathing out, hands feel really light. Just repeating that movement, inhaling. Exhaling down, and then just once more, breathing in. Breathing out. I'm going to interlace the fingers together now. And just drawing them up to about chest height, palms up, and then turn them over and press down. And then sweep them away from the body, all the way up, and then again release and just let the hands float down, really light. So we're just going to repeat that. You might want to breathe in. And then maybe exhale. Inhale as you sweep the arms up. Exhaling as the hands come down at the side. They're just repeating that movement, scooping up, and then pressing down. Sweeping all the way up overhead, and then releasing. Gathering up, pressing down, sweeping the arms out, releasing down at the sides. Just once more, breathing in if that feels good. Exhaling as you press down. Inhaling to sweep up. Exhaling to release. This time as we interlace the fingers, we're going to step out wider to the side. And then we're just going to sink into the knees as we press down. Just go as far as feels comfortable. Straighten up as you sweep the arms up. And then just stepping back in as smoothly as you can. Now step out the other side. Breathing in. Bending into the knees just as far as feels good for your knees. Inhaling, lengthening up. And then as you release, stepping back in. So we're just going to repeat this from side to side. Breathing in. So you could just stay quite high as you bend the knees. Sweeping up and straightening out through the legs. And then stepping back in. Inhale. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, stepping back in. So just stepping out again. Pressing down. sweeping up, stepping back in, just finding a rhythm for the breath that suits your body. So you might want to stick with the breath patterns that I'm talking about, or you might just want to let your breath move by itself. Maybe exhaling as you sink. Nice to inhale as you rise. Exhale, step back in. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling up. Exhaling back in. Just finding a kind of pace, flow, and rhythm that really suits your body as you step through the sequence. This is the last one here, stepping back in. Good job. Interlace the fingers. We're going to step out again. This time we're going to turn to the side. So just pivot on the feet, bend this front knee, and then push through the hands. And then just turn the feet back round again, and then step back in. So step out other side, just step out as far as you like. Pressing away to the sides. Inhaling all the way up. Exhale, step back in. So repeating that movement. You might want to inhale as you lift. Exhale as you pivot and push. Inhaling up. Exhaling in. Breathing in as you gather up. Breathing out as you press away. Inhaling, finding some length in the body. Exhaling, stepping in. Just following the rhythm of the movement. Just pivoting on the feet. Stepping back in. Stepping out as you scoop up. Maybe exhale as you press away. Inhaling, pivoting. Exhaling, stepping back in. Breathing in. Breathing out, pivot. Inhaling up. Exhaling back in. Last one. Breathing in. Breathe it out. Inhaling up. Exhaling back in. We're going to step out again. This time we're going to fold. So just hinging from the hips as you press down. Bend the knees if that feels like you need to. Inhale. Come all the way up. Exhale, step back in. Step out as far as feels good as you scoop up. Exhale, press down with the hands. Hinge from the hips. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, get that weight transfer back in. So you could just step out a small amount and you could bend the knees and just do a half bend. Inhaling up. And then a smaller step back in. So just see what kind of feels right for your body. Breathing in. You can bend the knees a little bit as well. Lifting all the way up. Exhaling, stepping in. So repeating that movement. Folding as you exhale. Inhaling, sweeping up. Exhaling, stepping back in. Stepping out the other side, gathering. Pressing down towards the earth. Inhaling, sweeping upwards. Exhaling, stepping back in. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling up. Exhaling in. Just once more. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling up. Exhaling, stepping in. Now legs stay where they are. Interlace the fingers. Scooping up. Pressing down. Feel a little bit of resistance there. Inhale, sweep the arms away. Look up if you like. And then exhale. Hands are really light as they float down. So just repeating this form. Inhale. Exhaling. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Breathing in, just following the rhythm of the hand. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Gathering and lifting. Pressing and sinking. sweeping all the way up, and then exhaling, circling down just once more, scooping up, pressing down, inhaling the left, exhaling, releasing. Now the first fingers and the thumbs are going to meet again, make that diamond shape. And watch or look up as you lift, exhale, just float. Hands come down light. Going to repeat that. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, and exhaling. Do as many of these as you like. Breathing in, breathing out. We're just going to do one more, but you can keep going if you like. Inhaling, exhaling. Let the hands come down by the sides. Just bring the hands onto the lower belly. Thumbs kind of roughly where your belly button is, palms of the hands on the belly. You might want to just pause here. You can soften, you can close the eyes. Relax the features of the face, soften the jaw. Just let the shoulders ease down. Just notice how you are right now. Notice your breathing, your temperature, heart rate, any sensations in the body. And now bring your awareness down to the soles of your feet. Just rock a little bit backwards and forwards on the soles of the feet. Just feel that connection with the ground. And then just taking a breath in. Breathe out, release the hands, open the eyes if you had them closed. Have a little shake out. Thank you so much. Your practice of earth salutes is complete. Thank you.